Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And you might have seen my Grumman message today about saving a piece of flying history. Well, it was a Saul's Barrage Kite, a couple of them. They're below Nancy Harrison's parents' house in Pleasanton, California, and we'd like to find them a good home. So stay tuned while we talk a little bit more about this piece of history. And again, it reflects the GPA and our involvement. So stay tuned for some fun. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, my evening yesterday started off with a text from Nancy. It had this little picture here of a kite history, World War II. I read a little bit about Saul's Barrage Kites, and then I saw the second picture. They have some stacked under the house that they're trying to sell for Nancy's parents. So we need to find them a good home. We'd like it to be a good Navy home. Now, this Barrage Kite was a kite that could be assembled and towed behind a ship to thwart the dive bombers that would try to come after, and the other attack aircraft that would try to come after the ships that they were being flown by. And here you can see the assemblage where some of the students were examining the barrage kits back in the day. And here's all the pieces named, and this is from out of the manual that comes, which each one of those boxes is sealed, has never been opened since World War II. So here they are again, and that's how our day started off. That Nancy Harrison contacted me and said, can you find somebody in this area with military contacts to try to help us find these a good home. Now, from back in the 70s, here you go. Here's the Harrison family. That's Nancy in the orange jacket right there. But they're putting one together, and they would take it to the beach and fly it or tow it behind a truck up in the hills. So there you go, having a little bit of fun with it. And here it is flying up in the sky. It's an old photo, but again, you know, there's the Barrage Kite up in the air. Now, this is a patented project, and all this is covered in the installation manual. As a matter of fact, I got these pictures off of a link to an eBay ad where here's the original box, and then they begin opening it up for you. They take off the cover, they'll show you the label, they'll lay all the pieces out, they'll begin the assembly, and they'll get it all together. And then that's how this all goes out together. And you know, here's like the serial number 3292, the Navy model VKS-1. So it's a kite for a ship. But anyway, here's all the bits and pieces that you go to put together. And like I said, we're looking for a museum somewhere in the California area because we'd like them to go to a good Navy home. Personally, I'd like to have one come and go to the Air Force Museum or put one together and hang it from the roof of Yankee Aviation. But, you know, let's go ahead and find something close to home so we don't have to spend so much in freight. So these are the little bits and pieces of it. And then when we get through here in just a minute, we have some video of a German flight crew who bought one of these and assembled it back in 2011. They dyed the canvas the colors for their flight club, but then we'll have some video of it flying in Germany, and I think you'll be amazed at what this thing looks like and what all it can do. So stay tuned for that in just a moment, and we'll be right back after the other video. Now this portion, for them carrying it to the assembly area, rigging all the lines and doing all that, we're going to show it 4 times normal speed, not to bore you, but we'll let you look at it, and then we'll be back in just a minute with some more video and their own video audio coming along through it. So there you go. There's a Barrage Kite flying in Germany. And in just a minute, we're going to have a picture of one flying a few years ago in California. So, ladies and gentlemen, now you know what the current mission's all about. We're trying to find these a good museum home in the California area for these Saul's Barrage Kites, the Navy history behind them. And here's the Harrison family kite flying in the 1970s. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And thanks to all of those who responded to me and helped. And ladies and gentlemen, here's the newest member of our family, unnamed yet, but this cute little 5-week-old kitten is now a new member of the family. And I'm going to have to warn you, she is just filled with adorableness. She is so cute. When she went to the event, they all oohed and awed over her. And there's my hand for reference on what size the kitten is. So stay tuned for some more film. We'll be having this kitten appear as she grows up and becomes a bigger part of the family. Thank you.